DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector. Code. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you already know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang, it's what I do today. This one was requested by one of our Dan Mafia members. This is an artist that we are familiar with, but it's been a minute that we reacted to him actually. You see me I say. But this one was requested by Davian Matthews. Big up yourself. Davian Matthews 440. Yeah, man, he said react to Zizi, Bangaz outlet. You see me, I want to check it out and say dog I do it. Zizi, been a minute since we reacted to his song from Zizi. The last song we reacted for Zizi was him featuring Squash. That was a banger. He took me by surprise. As in, we never know he was going to be that talented, and he was actually a really good artist. But we haven't checked out songs from him, many songs from him since then. You see me I say? But that's going to change today. This one, Dan Mafia member's been in the archives, watched some videos, and he requested some new Zizi. I want to check it out and see what I can deal with. You see me? We're not going to vibe much longer. You see me I say, gang. So shout out to David Matthews again. And we'll jump right tonight. Zizi. Dog got full of style. He full of style, similar to Squash. You see me I say, all like 6 them artists are always bad. But Zizi, he have a style similar to Squash, and we can see why he's in the 6. You see me I say, so Zizi, Bangaz outlet, let's get it. I think Bangaz outlet are one store owned by Cash Code. Correct me if I'm wrong, gang. This is the same Zizi from Nahim. This is the same Zizi that we reacted with Squash right in the 6, right?
If I'm not scamming a fucking music, I know that I do something with. So you know what I'm do.
If I'm not scamming a music, you man say, you know.
Farming me rascal.
What you know how to do? Farming. Man say farming me rascal.
Millions free, put the yacht in icy. Camp on the beach with me girl at 19.
But don't get it twisted, you don't know Zizi. Farmer make enough money, you know. Don't get it twisted and don't try to steer the youths them. You see me? In the wrong part. Farmers make money. You see me? I say from here on a farm. You see me? Don't get it twisted.
I do something with. So you know what I'm do.
See? Farmers make more money than scammers, you know. In fact, they man, the scammers have to go rob. Don't get it twisted, you know. The true hardworking people, you know. You see me?
Farming me rascal.
Millions free, put the yacht in icy. Camp on the beach with me girl at 19. Blood 17, don't need no my jeans. In a night here, I'm hands white teens. Bella pussy does.
I say millions free, put the yacht in icy. I want to tell the man how you mean, man, want to live life, youth. Hey, come on, I want to. Nothing wrong with having nice things, youth. I want nice things. Don't make nobody tell you different. Don't nobody tell you about vanity and all these things. Nothing wrong with wanting nice things. God never say if you're poor. God never say if you're pauper. You see me?
Farming me rascal.
Millions free, put the yacht in icy. Camp on the beach with me girl at 19. Blood 17, don't need no my jeans. In a night here, I'm hands white teens. Bella pussy does.
17, don't need the night. I'm telling you, Zizi have a nice style, you know, bro. The man style bad, you know. But let's see if he can get in nice back. Come in.
Size up with we. Bangaz outlet, yo, cash code name. How the fuck them feel? Make us call those pay me and pay me again. Full of beer money and rifle defense. Bad bitch there so fi clean up the ends. Girl, show off your titty, make me come by your breast.
Come in, my youth. I want you. Hey! Some like when song build up, bro. I like when song man say make us call pay me and pay me again. Now I'm think at one time I get chop, brother. You got chop as many to come in.
Size up with we. Bangaz outlet, yo.
Man say, y'all there fi clean up your ends, brother. Couple. Hey, come on.
Cash code name. How the fuck them feel?
Man, I live a modest life. I want to come in.
Make us call those pay me and pay me again. Full of beer money and rifle defense. Bad bitch there so fi clean up the ends. Girl, show off your titty, make me come by your breast. A GLE speed when you see code them. Me done and that, me no cater for them.
Your GLE speed, or you see me, you know that. Come
on. Make talk them deep current. So tell some pussy me no afraid that your chat. Ha, you not for rape me.
Although I talk, you don't even current, you're even relevant, bro. So I don't care about your chat. You see me, the happy.
Open night chop a take beers. I'm gonna see them with no below no shaky. Me live a modest life so like crazy. Well I bang them don't a chance I'll reach.
What me say, man, I live in modest life. You see me, man, say me not see one with no villa. You can't say you're a chopper, brother. You can't say you're a chopper. You can't say you're a banger. You can't say you're a scammer. You never will a villa. That's part of the thing, you know. It's one of the unwritten rules. You see me? Yeah, man. I have to get a villa and put in a song if you're a real banger, if you're a real chopper, if you're I just see culture. You see me? I know me making rules in the dog. You don't notice? Every chopper, brother, they have to get a villa. Pan the North Coast, they have to skate pan the toll and put in our tune. Come in.
See me with David. I mean no chosy girl, cause them not tear me. Me rather chop a million in I savings. Yeah, cash.
Say me no chosy girl, cause me no tear me. Hey.
See me with David. I mean no chosy girl, cause them not tear me. Me rather chop a million in I savings.
Rather drop a million in the savings before you do that, but yeah, chosy. Hey, come in.
Cash. I be a bad beat song a Bangaz outlet. You ever see coach and me rap it close yet? Me live in high pride and me never stop press. Me light up a candle and couple incense.
Who be a bad beat song a Bangaz outlet? Me a guy yard and me a guy Bangaz outlet. Me a make you know right now. Yeah man, me hear Bangaz outlet in every blood clean tune. You think me a guy yard go to the shop? You must expect how you did done for the yard and go there. Yeah man, cash code dog. You have to go shut down his store, brother. Come in.
Bad beats on a Bangaz outlet. You ever see coach and me rap it close yet? Me live in high pride and me never stop press. Me light up a candle and couple incense. Boss a skull head.
So light up a candle and couple incense. We go boss his skull head. I'm to you, man.
Money start make. Richer man get. Stack up with cheddar, so me piling up a brick again. Go tell a bitch I said the love done, she have none forget. The bank tell a girl I said the money equivalent.
I said the love done, you know, don't forget, mama. Hush. Love run out for over here, say, you see me, mama.
White like cigarette, I start jeep again. Copy the style because we sitting them so different. My body idle and go white out for me ligament. Me have the switch, me have the chip ready for boss ahead. I you say.
Switch and we have a chip, you know. You see me though? Hey, Robo.
I be a bad beat song a Bangaz outlet. You ever see coach and me rap it close yet? Me live in high pride and me never stop press. Me light up a candle and couple incense. Boss a skull head. Money start make. Make a skull those pay me and
pay me again.
Full of beer money and rifle defense. Bad bitch they are so fi clean up the ends, girl.
Come in now man.
Show off your titty, make me come for your breast. A GLE speed when you see code them. Me done and dark, me no cater for them. And who I make talk them deep current. So tell some pussy me no afraid that you check.
Come in now man. Yo, this beat is so amazing, bro. Big up the producer, bro. Big up the producer, them. You see me? Yeah.
Me light up a candle and couple incense. Boss a skull head. Money start neck. Richer man get.
You mean, man? Robo. Zizi. You mean? Bangaz outlet. Yeah, man. Bad tune. Yeah, man. Bad tune. Me. Zizi a bad artist, brother. You see me and say, dog, if you be more consistent, dog. Zizi, where you tune them dead? Zizi, where you tune them dead, bro? You need to wrap it up, man. Come on, man. Drop the tune them, man. Don't wait for no certain subscribers. Don't wait for no certain song get the hit. Just drop the tune them. It's gonna come in, man. The hits are gonna make, and the subs them are gonna forward, the fans them are gonna forward. Just keep dropping, man. You see me and say I'm burn up a place, man. Yeah. Nah, like we are, if it's all of the 6 artists, them just keep this consistent. Man, they can lock down dancehall and 36 body, you know. Cause if you have Squash, you have Chronic Claw, you have Daddy One, you have Malidan. You see me and say? You got Zizi. Who else you got? 96. One of them talented. One of them got, I think, Javodan 96. Right? And these niggas can shut down dancehall, you know, man. Ta! But yeah, man, big up on themselves. Zizi, Bangaz outlet. You see me, I say, gang, let me know anything about the one day. If you like it, definitely show the artists all love and support. Make you know, say, the dance and, you know. You see me, I say, if you make it this far in the video, why not like and subscribe already? I'm telling you, man, you can't be that bad mind, man. Bad mind, you can't run that deep in your blood. Can't run that deep in your family. You see me, I say, gang. But anyway, gang, let me know. Let me know anything about that one. If you like, you show the artist all of our support. Make you know say at the dance, you know. Drop your comments. Let me know what's your favorite part. Beats, lyrics, melody. You see me? I say beats, lyrics, melody, lyrics, visuals. You see me? I say let me know. Let me know what's your favorite part. Let's get a dialogue going. Let's chop it up, gang. Yeah, let's chop it up. And yeah, that's it. I appreciate the love and support. Road to 10K. I believe I'm 700 away from 7K. And I'm 3K away from 10K. So I appreciate y'all. Hit that like and subscribe button. Trying to hit 10K before January, my birthday. I appreciate if y'all could do that. With that, I'm gonna need, you know, almost 1,000 subs a month. And I know we can do it, gang. You know what I'm saying? I know we can damn do it. I wasted some time for the past month and a half, bro, because I've been going through some shit. But other than that, God, we done hit 7K. We'd have been at 7K, man. But my back active. And I'm gonna try to drop the same amount of videos I should have dropped for the past month and a half over this weekend, bro. So I think I'm gonna drop about 20, 30 videos over the weekend. Yeah. I'm about to go crazy. Y'all gonna think y'all gonna think I lost my mind. But anyway, gang, that's all I need to know. Till next time, gang, take care of yourself and each other. The most important part is each other. You see what I say? Because if I'm taking care of you and you taking care of me, we all good, right? Yeah, man, gang. But yeah, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
I always tell the truth, even when I lie.